Okay, so this is just a quick review on how to write the equation of a line if you're given 2 points. Okay, so if you are looking for that equation of that asymptote for the hyperbolas, well, you'll probably have a dashed line, right? So you should be able to find 2 points, okay, probably the center point, right? And one of the corners of the rectangle. Okay, so find your 2 points and suppose that one of the points is -5, 7 and the other point is -3, 1. Okay, and you have to write the equation of this asymptote. Okay, so first of all, we need the slope. Okay, and if you remember, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one you call your first point or your second point, but I'm just going to go ahead and call this x1 and y1 my first point, and this will be my second point. So this will be my second x and my second y. All right, so let me find my slope, y2 minus y1, which is 7, over x2 minus x1, which is -5. Okay, so 1 minus 7 is -6. This double negative over here becomes positive. Okay, so -3 plus 5 is 2. So this is -3. Okay, so my slope is -3. So I am going to use this slope-intercept form to come up with my equation. I don't know what b is. Okay, I don't know what b is, but I do know m. M is -3. And I do know an x value and a y value. I can use these here for x and my y. I can plug them in there. Or I could use this one, -3 and 1 for my x and my y. It doesn't matter which point you use, but pick one, okay, and stick with it. All right, so I'm going to use this one. So the y value is 1. My my slope is -3. My x value is this right here, -3. And I'm going to go ahead and solve for b. So 1 equals 9 plus b. And if I subtract 9 on both sides, I get -8 equals b. So the equation of this asymptote is going to be y equals m, which is -3x, plus b, which is -8. Okay? So that's how you find the equation of a line if you know 2 points. Keep in mind that over here, I went ahead and calculated the slope here. But if you know these 2 points, you can probably just easily count your rise and your run to get your slope without having to do all of this. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, make sure you email me or message me.